About 4 weeks ago, I posted an unboxing video on this channel where I unboxed the LED 600 Pro Lite and I also unboxed a L16 selfie stick. And towards the end of that video, I said something striking, and I'm just going to allow you watch that particular part of the video right now. The next thing on my bucket list right now is to get another mic. And that's the next thing on my bucket list. And the mic I want to get is the Hollyland Lark. I don't know if Hollyland Lark is watching this. Maybe they might decide to sponsor it. I mean, I don't know. Anything can happen. But yeah, my next target, right? The next gadget I need to get right now is the Hollyland Lark. I don't even mind the M1, but I would actually prefer the M2, Hollyland Lark M2, because it cancels noise so well. And because of where I stay, I mean, you can't avoid noise because, like I said, it's a student environment. But then the Hollyland Lark, it's a very portable mic, and it cancels noise so well. Like, I love the fact that I can just clip it to this mic shirt and just record easily, without having to create so much paparazzi around that. But I'm going to get that hopefully soon, right? I mean, I'm going to get that hopefully soon. That is the next thing I think I need to get. I have the light now. I have a better light because I've always had light. I'm excited to let you know that I've finally gotten the Hollyland Lark M2 mic, and I got the combo version. I have the carton right there with me, and that is the mic I'm actually using to record this particular video right now. Like you can see, this is the Hollyland Lark M2 Combo mic, and I got this for about 250,000 naira. That's together with the delivery fee. The mic itself was 247,000 naira, but then with the delivery fee that was about 4,000 naira. Everything was just like 251,000 naira, and I got it through CDK. The link to CDK the CDK app will be in the description box below. I got it, I paid for it instrumentally, even though I could have paid once anyways and it would not really have affected me, but then I just decided to pay instrumentally through CDK since CDK gave that option. Again, the link to CDK will be in the description box below. Now, this particular video is an unboxing video, and for the major part of this video I'm going to be unboxing the Hollyland Lark M2 mic. I've gotten this for about 2 weeks now, but then I'm just able to make the unboxing video. This particular video, I'm just getting time to actually record the video. So we are going to get into the unboxing video right now, and let me know what you think about the Hollyland Lark M2 mic in the comment section. Let's get right into the unboxing video. So this is the Hollyland Lark M2 Combo pack, and inside the box there are so many things. What I'm holding here is the quick guide and packing list card, right? That particular card contains the guide, it contains also a card, right, and it contains the sticker. It just contains different things, and then that was the card that I just dropped, the card that came with it. Then these are the stickers, right? These different stickers that can be placed on the transmitter, right, to cover the logo depending on the feel that your video is giving. So you can use any sticker. This is the manual, right? This is the guide, the manual containing how you can set up different things. Then I think this is also another manual. Then this is the packing list. It contains the different things that should be in this box, the different things that you should expect to see in this combo pack, right? This is the camera version charging case, right? So that is the charging case that I'm unwrapping, and it is this charging case that houses the transmitters and the different transmitters, and this is also where you can charge the transmitters. You would eventually see what I call the transmitter. All of this that you see there are the transmitters, right? So all of these are the transmitters. Can you see? This is one of it. Then we have two of the smaller transmitters, and then that third guy there, right? I mean, that one that is there, that big one, that is the receiver for the camera, right? You would eventually see the receiver for smartphone, but that particular one is the receiver. So we have just two transmitters, and then we have a receiver in that case for a camera, right? Let's say you're using a professional camera, so you can use that transmitter, that receiver rather. Now this is the receiver for a Type-C phone, right? That is the receiver, and this is the other receiver for iPhone. It has a lightning mouth, right? So that is for iPhones that uses the lightning, I think it's called mouthpiece or something. Right now, this is, I don't know what that's called, right? But I think that is just to preserve it or something. Now that bag, right, that bag is the drawstring bag. It houses different things, so it contains different things that you'll eventually be seeing. Like this now, you can see this particular code I just dropped is called the USB A to it's called the TRS, right? It's called the TRS. I'm still going to eventually pick it up so that you will know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I was unwrapping. This is the clip, right? So this is the back clip. You can use it to, you can clip this to a shirt, right? There are, this particular mic actually have different things that you can just clip it with. Yeah. So what I had there was the back clip. It's called the back clip. Like I said earlier, this is the receiver. These are the receivers that that used to connect the transmitter to your smartphone or whatever you want to use to record. Yeah. So yeah, I was unwrapping the chain. This is called the chain. It's called the necklace rather. The necklace. So this particular one, you can also clip your transmitters to it, and then you can put it around your neck. One thing I love about this mic is the versatility. Like you can use it in different case scenarios. So you can just clip your transmitter to it, and your transmitter to it, and then you can record whatever you are recording. This what I'm tearing here, what I'm unwrapping here, is called the windscreen, right? You use this when you are in windy places, right, where a lot of wind is blowing. So it kind of helps to diffuse it so that the sound can still be clear. Two came with it because we have two transmitters, right? So the necklace too, it was two necklaces that came with it, and then this windscreen too, it was two that came with it. The back clip, it was two that came with it. All of these were the things in that particular drawstring bag that contained all of those. Like I said, this is the packing list. So these are all of the things that you should expect to see. That is the charging case that is containing the receiver for the camera, and then the two transmitters, right? So we have all of this. That is the charging case. That is what you use to charge the transmitters. Yeah, you can see the receiver. Yeah, those are the two receivers there. Yeah, that is the USB A to USB-C cable, right? I missed this earlier. This is what you use to charge your charging case, actually. Then we have the stickers, right? Yeah, these are the stickers that you can place on your transmitter to cover the logo or whatever. Then that is the TRS cable. You use it to connect your camera receiver to your camera, the professional camera. That's what you use to connect the transmitters, the receiver to the camera. Then these are the back clips, right? These are the back clips that you can use to connect you can use to clip your transmitter to your shirt or whatever. And by the way, look at it. The transmitter has a magnetic gear. I think I forgot to also mention that earlier, that the transmitters, they have magnetic, the back is really magnetic, right? It has a clip magnet that came with it, so you can just clip it to the necklace, you can clip it to the back clip, and the magnet is very strong, actually. So that is the necklace, right? The necklace too, look at it, it also has that magnet. It has a magnet that can be used to clip the transmitter to it, right, so that it can stay so strong, and you can put it around your neck, and you'll be so sure that it's going to stay and it's not going to drop, right? So we have that. This is the clip magnet. Yes, you can see it here. Can you see? Yeah, that is the clip magnet. So you can see how it clip to the transmitter, actually. So what else? Okay, we have the quick guide and packing list card. I showed you that earlier. Look at it. The manual is there, and the different things, right? The packing list, and what else? Yeah, this is also like the manual, actually. Different manuals, actually. And then we have the warranty card. The warranty card did not come with mine, maybe because I got it in Nigeria. Now the drawstring bag, that was the bag I just showed you. I love that bag so much because it's compact, and you can use it to carry your mic around. Honestly, I'm just so excited that I finally got this mic. I'd been looking forward to getting this mic for the longest, right? I've been thinking, I've been contemplating, I've been praying. I've actually been looking forward to getting the mic, and I'm just so excited that I was finally able to really get the mic, and that I now have the mic, right? Because this is going to improve the quality of my videos. The audio quality in my videos is going to just skyrocket the quality, like you might have already noticed, or like you would have already noticed. Because I mean, if you check this video, or as you're watching this video right now, if you go back and watch some of my other videos, the difference will be so clear, like day and night. And I'm just so excited that I got the mic, right? I mean, it's a bit pricey. I think it's a bit pricey, honestly, but I also think it's worth the price because I'm really impressed, especially the noise cancellation feature. You might not be able to really confirm that noise cancellation feature now because I'm currently in my room, right? Assuming I'm in a noisy place, you would be able to really confirm that. Or maybe I can just put a video around here where the background was noisy. I don't know, I might not eventually put the video, but eventually, as I use the mic and as you stick around this channel, you will definitely see me use the mic in noisy areas, and you would be able to really confirm the noise cancellation feature. But so far, I'm impressed, and the mic is actually really amazing. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to also hit the like button, because I have really amazing videos coming and I'm sure you are going to love them. I will see you in the next one.